It's the #1 selling kit for people who are joining Lemongrass Spa as a consultant. Let's talk about the head to toe success kit from Lemongrass Spa. This is everything you need to get started. There is a lot, so this is what we're gonna be going through today. It's like, first of all, it's $119, but it's worth like over $250. So it's amazing how much you get in this kit to be able to try out all of Lemongrass Spa's like hair care and body care, like family care kinds of things, foot care. So first of all, your kit will come with these hand and body lotions. They're gonna come in the 2 ounces like this. You'll have several scents to try, and it will also come in that cute little packet, and it also will come with the pump, so you get to see like the full version of this. This is the 8 ounce, and it also comes with the 2 ounce, and this is going to be your lemon sorbet scent, which is always a fan favorite. When it comes to hair care, your kit will include a sun-kissed coconut hair mask. This stuff is so good. So this will come with a sun-kissed coconut shampoo and conditioner. These pair very nicely. What I love about these is that they are fragrance-free, and of course, all of our products are paraben-free and free of so many of the toxins that you really want to avoid. And actually, one of our best-selling products is our hairspray, and so this one you'll get to try in your kit. The Calm Foot Cream is one of our most fan favorites because of the magnesium that is included in it. So the magnesium is amazing for circulation, and people use this all over their body, but it's especially great for feet and hands. Speaking of magnesium, our deodorants have magnesium in them as well, so you'll get to try one of the magnesium-enriched deodorant sticks. And we can't have lemon sorbet without talking about our hand soap. So this is a foaming hand soap, and it pairs very nicely with our lotions. And I love that this kit comes with one of our body polishes. This one is an amazing exfoliating body scrub. And back to hair, you have to have your dry shampoo, so I love that this kit comes with our dry shampoo. This is non-aerosol, and it does not have talc in it, which is an ingredient that you definitely want to avoid. So this is an amazing addition to our hair care, and I love that you get to try it in this kit. And of course, I have to talk about our #1 selling product, has been for years. This is our Healing Elements. You get to try the stick in this kit, and it also comes with a recovery balm. So when you think of recovery balm, think of like workout recovery. When you think of Healing Elements, think of any kind of skin condition just about that you can think of. You'll be able to use Healing Elements on that. Our charcoal detox bar, this is great in that it is used for the whole family. Teenagers love the charcoal detox, but to be honest, everybody benefits from it. The natural detox ingredient of charcoal. And this is where it gets really fun. You get to try out our mini foot kits. It comes with a card that walks you through how to do our foot spas. You get our Honey Discovery Kit, where you get to try the Honey Glow products. You get a quartet of our body icings, which when you think of an icing, think of a really thick lotion. So you get 4 of the scents included in that quartet. And then we have our Hibiscus Berry tinted lip balm, and I love the little bit of tint that has in it. It really is, it's just a great for everyday wear. Speaking of Hibiscus Berry, you get to also try our Favorites Discovery Kit, which change seasonally, but right now has Hibiscus Berry in it. And then there's also a Hampton's Cove Body Serum. This is the mini. I am a sucker for minis. And of course, with our hair products, it has to come with our hair brush. And as you can see, I can barely fit everything in the screen. This is a great kit to start your Lemongrass Spa business with. And this is the one that I would recommend. The retail on it is $250 plus, but you would actually pay $119. It includes all the business catalogs and order forms that you would need to get started, as well as unlimited training, an amazing community of women who are like-minded and are just so encouraging. I have had so much fun with Lemongrass Spa over the last 5 years, and I wish I had this kit when I got started. This one is really everything that you need to get started. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help.